Let's select our target rig. Now enable Batch and select the Batch folder. Enable any desired file formats. Select the source rig type. Since the rest poses are different, enable Redefine Rest Pose and exclude some problematic bones. Click the retarget operator and wait. This progress bar displays the current animation file. The process can be canceled at any moment with the Cancel button. Please note, because batch identification is set to manual, we need to manually configure the rig type and the lim FK/IK modes. After all the animations have been retargeted, we can easily switch between them by clicking their names on the list. This is great for rapidly auditioning a batch of downloaded animations to see which one fits our model best.